Here we have an infinite series y, which is given by e raised to the power of x plus e raised to the power of x plus, and this goes all the way up to infinity. We need to obtain derivative of y with respect to x. So let's begin. So here we have our infinite series, which is given by y equals to e raised to the power of x plus. So here we can see that this is actually repeating, and this is also y. So we can simply replace this entire expression with y. So let this be number 1. Now what we'll do, we'll take the natural log on both sides. So we get natural log of y equals to natural log of e raised to the power of x plus y. Now we will use the property of logarithm that states that whenever we have natural log of a raised to the power of b, this is the equivalent to b times natural log of a, such that we have log of y equals to, we have x plus y multiplied to natural log of e. This gives us log of y equals to x plus y. Here in natural log of e, this value is equals to 1. That's because we know that whenever we have log of a with the base a, this value is equals to 1. So in our case, we have natural log of e, which is actually log of e with the base of e, and this value is going to be equals to 1. Now we'll take the derivative on both sides with respect to x. So we have ddx of log y equals to dx over dx plus derivative of y with respect to x. We know the derivative of the logarithmic function, that means ddx of log x, this value is given by 1 over x. Now derivative of log y will be 1 over y. Now we have y here instead of an x, so we'll multiply it to derivative of y with respect to x, which will be equals to, so derivative of x with respect to x, this is 1 plus derivative of y with respect to x. Now 1 over y minus, now what 1. So what we have done, we have transposed the second term on the right hand side to the left hand side and combined with that the first term on the left hand side. This will be multiplied to derivative of y with respect to x equals to 1. We'll combine the term within the parentheses. So we have 1 minus y divided by y multiplied to derivative of y with respect to x. So this value is equals to 1. And finally, our derivative of y with respect to x, this will be given by y divided by 1 minus y.